at the range today to shoot this antique saw blade that I painted white to accurately show the damage inflicted upon these 6 guns we're going to use. I'm going to start off with this old 22, which is cocked and ready to go. This Heritage. I have a 9mm, a 40 caliber, a 460, a 50 AE, and we are going to destroy this saw blade and see what kind of damage it can take. Put a hole right through it, like it was nothing. Wow, that's interesting. The 9mm went straight through. The 40 didn't do the job. I did not expect that. That's why these little tests are enjoyable. Let's see what the 44 Magnum will do. I have a feeling you know what it's going to do. Try it. Just through a hole, right through it. Let's hit it with the Hog Leg 5000, the Raging Hunter.